My name is Ivan Aymar Regan Melody. My matrix number is 10 DJL3A Today I will talk about nuclear power plant. So, what is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant is a facility that uses nuclear reaction, typically involving uranium and plutonium isotopes, to generate electricity. The heat produced from this reaction is used to produce steam, which drives turbines connected to generator, and by then it converts the kinetic energy into electrical power. In nuclear power plant, we will discuss three items in nuclear power plant, which is principal operation, main components, and process flow. In principal operation, nuclear power plants are types of power plant that use the process of nuclear fission in order to generate electricity. Moving on to main components of nuclear power plant. The main component of nuclear power plant, we have 5, which is turbine, cooling tower, generator, steam generation, and nuclear reactor. The function of nuclear reactor is to generate controlled nuclear reaction, produce heat that is used to produce steam, which in turn drive the turbines to generate electricity.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Badaruddin bin Nasuha. My matric number 10DJL21F1501. The first nuclear reactor, the device that initiates and control a sustained nuclear chain reactor. The reactor contains the nuclear fuel, usually uranium or plutonium, in the form of rod or pellet. The fuel is surrounded by a moderator, usually water or graphite, that slow down the neutron produced by fission and increase the probability of further fission. The reactor also has a coolant, usually water or gas, that circulates to the core and transfer the heat generated by fission to a heat exchanger or a steam generator. Second type of component in nuclear power plant, steam generator boiler, a form of low water content boiler similar to a flash steam boiler. The usually construction is as a spiral coil of water tube arranged as a single or monotube coil. The circulation is once through and pump under pressure. As a forced circulation boiler, the narrow tube construction without any large diameter drum or tank means that they are safe from the effect of explosion, even if work at high pressures. The pump flow rate is adjustable according to the quantity of system required at the time. The burner output is throttled to maintain a constant working temperature. The burner output required varies according to the quantity of jet being evaporate evaporate. This can be either adjusted by open loop control according to the pump throughput or by a closed loop control to maintain the measure temperature. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abdullah Haris bin Yusuf. My metric number 10 DJL3A 1024. So today I want to explain about cooling tower and generator in nuclear power plant. So for the cooling tower, first point is heat removal. Nuclear reactor produce a significant amount of heat is transferred to a cooling medium, often water, which then needs to be cooled to maintain the efficiency of the water plant. Second, steam condensation. Nuclear power plants often use steam to generate electricity. After the steam passes through the turbine, it needs to be condensed back into water for recirculation in the reactor. Cooling towers aid in this condensation process. Temperature regulation. Cooling towers help regulate the temperature of the cooling water by releasing heat into the atmosphere through evaporation and convection. The cooling tower ensures that the water returning to the reactor is at an appropriate temperature for efficient operation. For water conservation, cooling tower enable the reuse of water in the cooling cycle, reducing the overall water consumption of the nuclear power plants. 5. Environmental impact mitigation. The cooling tower function of dissipating heat helps prevent the overheating of equipment and ensures that the discharged water, which might be warmer, doesn't harm the environment when released back into water bodies. So next is I'm gonna share about the function of generator in nuclear power plant. So I have 5 points for generator. So one is energy conversion. The nuclear reactor produces heat through nuclear fission. This heat is used to produce steam from water, and the steam is the direct to drive a turbine. For the second point is turbine rotation. The turbine connected to the generator rotates as a result of the high pressure steam flow. This rotational motion is a manifestation of converted thermal energy. Third, electromagnetic induction. The rotating turbine spins the rotor within the generator. This motion induces a changing magnetic field, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. 4. Electricity generation. As the magnetic field changes, electricity is generated in the stator winding of the generator. This electrical energy is transformed to the appropriate voltage levels for distribution and transmission through transformers. 5. Power distribution. The generated electrical energy is distributed to the power grid for use by consumers, industries, and other entities. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zahir. My metric number is 10 DJL3A 1011. So today I'm going to explain about the flow process of nuclear power plant. So the flow process of nuclear power plant is quite simple. So in this case, this is a flow process of boiling water reactor, which is BWR. So water came from condenser drive into reactor. So reactor core heats the water. Heat is produced by nuclear fusion in the reactor core. And this causes the cooling water or the water to boil, producing the steam. The steam is directly used to drive a turbine, after which it is cooled in a condenser and converted back to liquid water. This water is then returned to the reactor core, completing the cycle. So that's all from me. Thank you.